actually going to go into our products for our flooring category, select the flooring product from our website. You can upload a picture from your home, or you can use some of the pictures that we already have in there.
Okay.
Drop that picture into there, and you can actually see the product in your space.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And then at the bottom, it'll allow you to pick, like, let's say you don't like that one, pick another one. Pick another one.
This is great.
Look at the color tones of each of those, items.
And you can use a photo of your actual room, which is wonderful.
Which is good, because then you're going to be able to see that space with your decorations, your wall colors.
Well, you always do a great job of showing us things in action and what they really look like. So you have actually brought us some images that show how useful the visualizer can be in making decisions. So let's start with some of the different looks in a foyer.
So this is the foyer. So here we are, pretty simple. This whole house is done in 12 by 12 white tile. So it needs to be updated. So this is a perfect example to use for this. But you want to be able to take that picture and now go show you what you can do by changing out that white floor. So here, if you just want to take a neutral ceramic or porcelain, obviously pick up the the colors of the walls with it. You can also do like a wood plank on here.
Oh, I love
which
that.
Which is going to pick up like your bench, or it changes the whole dynamic of that space.
And it looks realistic.
And
these visualizer images look very realistic, and you do get a good idea.
You do.
Wow.
So you can change this up, lay it in different directions too. So you can rotate the floor. So if you want to look at it walking into the space or going out of the space.
Because you've taught us too that different angles will make a difference in the design. All right, a lot of us need to update our kitchen, or we want to. So kitchens are possible.
Kitchens are very possible, and again, in your kitchens, you're going to pull in your backsplashes and all of that. So you're going to take that white floor, and you're going to then incorporate either your wall colors, your cabinet colors. So it allows you to say, well, maybe that's too light, that's too busy. And it makes it change the whole space. I mean, here you're just pulling in your chairs and your backsplashes and making a dark floor, and here's like dark gray.
Oh,
and if you just want to lighten up the whole space, pull in that ceiling of that little bit of white.
Nice.
And it changes that whole look.
This is so
really
great. I love seeing how it works in different rooms, because it really is helpful. Kids' bedrooms. I know that Stephanie has talked about wanting to redo her kids' bedrooms.
I mean, it's so fun. I mean, to me, kids' bedroom, I did some colorful things here.
Sure.
And because I think it's really a space that you can explore with. You can keep
You can have more fun.
You can have more fun. If you want this marble-looking floor, if you want, this is Coco Cabana, which I brought a sample of. That looks beautiful. It's like wave.
That's nice too.
And now taking the tile the other direction changes kind of the flow.
Actually helps it. And then here, put a decorative tile on the floor. Why not? A little bit of blue.
And tile is so great for a kid's room.
Well,
it
and
is,
not
for
just
sure.
a kid's room, right? So we can do it in our own master bedrooms. We can see how it works. And now a different approach in the master bedroom?
So master bedroom, depending on the size of your space, you have a lot of options, whether you want to do a wood plank, whether you want to do a tile, whether you want to offset them, whether you want, so you can actually explore here a little bit as well. So again, you can change the look by, doing something more soft and muted to go with the color tones, something really dramatic to go with the bed. It just all depends. You want to pull that blue back in, to give you that wave look, or, just totally change it up. So I threw some really fun looks in there, because there's some things that are just really creative and you would never think, or you can't visualize it. That's why it's a visualizer.
That's the thing. You look at one tile and you can't see how it would look in a whole room. Bathroom here is a great example. So
bathroom again, you can take a classic bathroom, do a decorative tile on the floor, you got marble in the shower, and you can see how the combination of the two go together. And if you decide, well, wait a minute, maybe something more decorative, or just a solid wood plank, we'll change that darkness, make it richer looking, or a marble floor.
You are saving so many people who have tried the design and end up in tears when they get it home, because it's not what they thought. Great stuff, a great new tool. You can also save these photos, then bring them in, work with a designer right at Tile Outlets of America to create a custom look for your home. You can visit them right here on the Suncoast in Sarasota on Cattleman Road. You can also find them in Tampa and Fort Myers. Find them online, where you'll find the visualizer tool at tileoutlets.com. Coming up next, we're heading into the kitchen pretty soon with the Indian table. We'll learn a little bit more about a special family member of Deepa.